This is the pet-safe doggy door for sliding glass doors, which is the perfect solution for pet owners who want convenience without compromise. Designed for homeowners and renters, this is a no-cut, do-it-yourself installation ideal for homes, rental homes, and apartments. It is a very easy-to-install DIY sliding glass pet door. This comes in several different sizes and adjustable heights, making it a great fit for dogs both big and small. The adjustable height makes it versatile, fitting sliding door tracks from 75/7/8 inches to 81 inches tall. Whether you're in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, this door adapts to your home's needs effortlessly. They have doors specifically designed for small dogs up to extra large dogs, ensuring comfort for your furry friend. Just measure your dog using their chart to ensure you get the right size. The Pet Flat features a magnetic closure that helps block cold drafts and hot air, maintaining your home's energy efficiency. Another nice feature is the closing panel if you need to limit outdoor access. The closing panel puts you in control, perfect for managing your pet's activities. The pet-safe doggy door for sliding glass doors is a convenient and stylish solution for pets of all sizes and their owners. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.